Alright guys, this is Jagged Mountain Knives. So today's video, I'm going to be working on a project that I've already started. I started making this wood burning stove in my welding class, and because of coronavirus I haven't got to finish it. So it's got this nice door on it and everything. It's got an elk on the front, but the problem is there's no way to shut it and keep it closed. So this will just be a short little video where I kind of do a little bit more blacksmithing instead of knife making. So I'm going to take this big nail, this big fencing nail, and I'm going to forge it out really skinny on this end, and I'm going to kind of spiral it around so that way it's something bigger to hold on to. Then I'm going to bend it up 90 degrees, and it's going to sit in a little bracket right here so it can slide back and forth, and there will be a little thing that comes off the side that I can push it into, and it'll keep the door shut. So that's all we're going to do for this video. Just going to show you how to forge a little handle that you can use to keep doors shut. Okay guys, we got this nail. We're at the forge. We're about to go start it up and get working. Okay, so we're just going to start knocking this down and skinnying it up everywhere. Thing I was talking about. So now we're going to take it up about right in here and we'll bend it up 90 degrees, and that'll be our handle for pulling the deadbolt in and out of the door to lock it. Alright guys, so there it is. So that'll be our handle for pulling it in and out. The next thing I'm going to do is grab it by this end, and I'm going to knock that point down a little bit so it's a little smoother. And then I'm going to take some scrap steel and forge the little brackets that'll be welded on to keep it in place. Sorry guys. Take a drink. Should probably have some different tongs. Really struggling. But let's see. That's really all we needed to do. I just wanted to take the sharp edges off of it. So this part's done. Now I'll start forging some brackets. Okay, there's one of them. Heat it up again. We're going to weld these little brackets on right now. So let's give it a whirl.
And we're not bad welders. This machine's just not the best.
Yeah, it's like $100, cheapest thing you can buy, but it'll stick two pieces of metal together. It just won't do a very good job of it. All right, we refed the wire through the welder. See if that helps us a little bit.
Oh, yeah. I need to invest in an auto dart helmet.
Alright guys, so I've got this thin piece of metal right here, this sheet metal. So I've drawn a line right there. What we're going to do is we're going to take the angle grinder, cut that, then we'll drill a hole right there and we'll round it up. And then we'll go weld it on the side of the stove. And that's going to be the little thing that the deadbolt slides into to keep the door shut. Okay, we made it through. And that's the biggest bit I have. So hopefully that'll fit. If not, I'm gonna have to try and get a bigger one. Okay, so that's what it's gonna look like. It slides in and out of there pretty good. So now I just have to figure out, I gotta press the door closed all the way and weld that on there so that it's gonna be fit up real nice and tight. So that's the next thing we'll do.
Okay, we're gonna start welding this on. I'm just gonna tack it first. Perfect. I definitely need an auto dart helmet. Let's see. Okay, it's tacked on there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and weld a bead on it. So you'll see how that works. Shut the door all the way, get it in there. Now the door stays shut. So let's go ahead and weld the bead on it. You probably won't be able to see too well because I would have to get in the way because I'm welding it, but you'll be able to see just what I'm doing.
Alright guys, there's the stove all set up. It's not completely finished. The last thing I really have to do is kind of tack 2 more pieces like that on. I want to widen those holes out a little bit, and that lets airflow in. So that's probably all you'll ever see of this project because it's kind of a personal project, not really knife related. But you see the handle is all finished up, looks really good. Can pull it out of there. I made it nice and tight. So that'll conclude this video. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you feel that we've earned it. Please like the video and comment on it. Check out the new Masters of Metal merch because, as you can see here at Jagged Mountain Knives, we are the Masters of Metal. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.